I'm Mike Anderson from Garage IQ, and I've broken down reliability into 3 real-world categories: fewest repairs, lowest maintenance, and longest life. We're counting down the top 5 brands in each, and at the end, we'll name the most reliable brand in America. Let's get started. Fewest repairs. Unplanned repairs can be one of the most frustrating parts of owning a car, but these 5 brands will almost never put you through that kind of stress. Number 5. Kia. Kia might not have had the strongest reputation in the past, but that's changed in a big way. Over the last decade, Kia has been climbing the reliability ranks, and today, it's one of the most dependable brands on the road. The Forte and Sorento are standout examples. Both models consistently rank well in reliability studies, with fewer unplanned repair issues than many of their rivals. According to RepairPal, Kia has some of the lowest average repair costs in the industry, making it a budget-friendly choice for long-term ownership. Number 4. Hyundai. Hyundai's rise in the automotive world has been nothing short of remarkable. 2 decades ago, the brand was known for cheap economy cars that didn't always hold up well over time. But today, Hyundai has transformed into one of the most reliable automakers in the industry. According to Consumer Reports, Hyundai now ranks among the top brands for dependability, with models like the Elantra and Tucson showing fewer unexpected repair issues than most competitors. And Hyundai isn't just riding on reputation. The brand backs up its confidence with a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the longest in the business. Number 3. Acura. If you want a luxury car without the typical luxury car problems, Acura is the way to go. As Honda's premium division, Acura benefits from the same legendary engineering that makes Honda one of the most trusted brands in the world. The difference? Acura models offer a more refined experience without sacrificing reliability. Take the TLX and MDX for example. These models offer strong performance, upscale interiors, and advanced tech, but they also maintain a reputation for being incredibly dependable. Acura vehicles require fewer unplanned repairs than most other luxury brands, making them a smart choice if you're looking for a high-end, dependable car. Number 2. Mazda. Mazda often flies under the radar in reliability conversations, but ask any long-term Mazda owner and they'll tell you the same thing. These cars just don't give you any problems. There's a reason for that. Mazda has perfected the art of keeping things simple. Instead of cramming their cars with overly complex technology, they focus on well-executed engineering that prioritizes durability. This philosophy pays off, especially in models like the CX-5 and Mazda 3, which have some of the lowest reported repair rates in their segments. According to RepairPal, Mazda consistently ranks among the top brands for reliability, with owners reporting fewer surprise breakdowns than most other automakers. Number 1. Lexus. Lexus has built a strong reputation for reliability, and for good reason. It's one of those brands where you can buy a car, take care of basic maintenance, and realistically expect it to last for decades without major issues. That's not just marketing hype, it's backed by real-world data. According to Consumer Reports' 2014 reliability rankings, Lexus holds the number 1 spot for overall dependability, beating out every other brand in terms of how few unexpected repairs owners report. What makes Lexus so reliable? A big part of it comes down to Toyota's legendary engineering. Lexus vehicles use proven, time-tested components instead of chasing the latest gimmicks. The RX and ES are some of the best cars from the brand. Even Lexus's hybrid technology, which tends to be a trouble spot for other brands, has proven itself rock solid over time. Another thing that's proven to be rock solid is our videos, which give you the best advice and information in the automotive world, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Longevity. A reliable car is great, but a car that lasts for decades? That's next level dependability. If you've ever seen an old Toyota Camry still going strong after 300,000 miles, or a Ford truck working hard after 20 years, you know what true longevity looks like. But which brands actually built the longest lasting cars? Well, you're about to find out. Number 5. GMC. GMC is often seen as the more refined version of Chevrolet, but don't let the luxury touches fool you. These vehicles are just as tough. In fact, the GMC Sierra 2500 HD is one of the longest lasting vehicles on the road, with over 5% of them reaching 250,000 miles or more, according to IC Cars. That might not sound like a huge number, but in the truck world, that's an impressive statistic. GMC's strength lies in its combination of rugged construction and high-quality materials. The GMC Yukon, for example, is one of the longest-lasting full-size SUVs, often surpassing 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. Many families pass down their Yukons from generation to generation because they hold up so well. Number 4. Chevrolet. Chevy has long been associated with durability, and their trucks and SUVs are built to last. According to IC Cars, the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD is one of the longest-lasting trucks on the road, with a high percentage surpassing 250,000 miles. One of Chevy's biggest advantages is its durable powertrains. The 5.3-liter and 6.2-liter V8 engines found in the Silverado and Suburban are known for their longevity, often exceeding 300,000 miles when maintained properly. That's why you'll still see 20-year-old Suburbans and Silverados running strong. Number 3. Ford. Ford has been building tough, long-lasting vehicles for over a century, and their modern lineup still carries that legacy. If you look at trucks that have stood the test of time, Ford is always at the top of the list. The Ford F-Series, especially the F-250 and F-350 Super Duty, is famous for hitting 300,000 miles or more when properly maintained. But Ford's longevity isn't limited to trucks. The Ford Expedition, one of the longest-lasting SUVs, routinely crosses 250,000 miles. Many law enforcement agencies use Expeditions because of their durability, and it's common to see these SUVs in service well past 200,000 miles. Number 2. Honda. Honda is simply one of the most reliable brands to ever make cars. A Consumer Reports study found that Hondas consistently rank among the longest-lasting cars, with models like the Accord and Civic regularly hitting the 300,000-mile mark. In fact, Honda has so many durable models that nearly every older generation Accord or Civic you see on the road is proof of how well these cars hold up. So why do Hondas last so long? The secret is in their simple, efficient design. Honda focuses on tried-and-true engineering rather than overcomplicating things. Their engines, especially the legendary K-Series and J-Series motors, are known for lasting well past 200,000 miles with minimal issues. And it's not just their sedans. The Honda CR-V and Pilot are some of the longest-lasting SUVs on the market, often serving families for decades. Number 1. Toyota. Toyota has spent decades earning a reputation for reliability, but it's their longevity that really stands out. These cars aren't just reliable for a few years, they last for generations. According to IC Cars, Toyota ranks first among all automakers for long-lasting vehicles, with an incredible 17% of their cars expected to reach at least 250,000 miles. That's nearly double the industry average. What makes Toyota cars last so long? It comes down to their no-nonsense approach to engineering. Instead of chasing the latest unproven technology, Toyota prioritizes durability. The Camry and Corolla are two of the most well-known examples. Both models consistently reach 300,000 miles with only routine maintenance. And then there's the Toyota Land Cruiser, a legendary off-roader that's practically indestructible. Many Land Cruisers easily pass 500,000 miles with minimal issues, which is why they're so popular in remote parts of the world where reliability is everything. Maintenance. Owning a car is one thing, keeping it running without breaking the bank is another. Routine maintenance is a reality of car ownership, but some brands make it far easier than others. So if you're looking for a brand that won't drain your wallet over time, it doesn't get better than this. Number 5. Chrysler. Chrysler might not have the reputation of Toyota or Honda when it comes to long-term reliability, but when it comes to maintenance costs, it performs surprisingly well. Over a decade, Chrysler owners spend about $5,600 on maintenance, which is lower than many of its domestic and international rivals. A big reason for Chrysler's lower maintenance costs is straightforward drivetrain engineering. The Chrysler Pacifica, for example, is one of the most widely used minivans in the US and has a reputation for being easy to service and inexpensive to maintain compared to competitors like the Honda Odyssey. The Pacifica's Pentastar V6 engine is a well-tested powertrain, and the overall design of Chrysler vehicles keeps maintenance relatively hassle-free. Number 4. Volkswagen. Volkswagen might not be the first name that comes to mind when you think of low maintenance, but the numbers tell a different story. Over a 10-year span, Volkswagen owners spend an average of $5,600 on routine maintenance, less than many domestic and Japanese brands. The reason Volkswagen keeps costs down is that it focuses on durable yet efficient technology. The Jetta and Passat are prime examples. They offer turbocharged engines that are reliable when properly maintained, and their transmissions are built for longevity. While some luxury German brands rack up high service costs due to specialty parts and complex engineering, Volkswagen keeps things more mainstream. Parts availability is strong, and independent mechanics can often handle repairs at a lower cost than dealership service centers. Volkswagen has also improved its long-term reliability, with newer models proving to be more durable and require less frequent repairs than earlier generations. Number 3. Nissan. Nissan offers some of the most affordable long-term maintenance costs in the industry. On average, Nissan owners spend $5,700 over 10 years, which is significantly less than many competitors. One of Nissan's biggest strengths is efficient and time-tested drivetrains. The Altima and Rogue, two of its most popular models, use engines that have been in production for years, meaning mechanics are familiar with them and replacement parts are easy to find. Nissan also keeps transmission servicing relatively straightforward, especially with models that avoid the CVT transmission. While some past CVT models have had issues, newer Nissans are proving to be more reliable and cost-effective to maintain. Nissan also offers strong fuel economy across its lineup, helping drivers save even more money in the long run. Number 2. Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi may not have the largest lineup, but the cars it does make are known for being simple, efficient, and cheap to keep running. According to RepairPal, Mitsubishi has an average annual repair cost of $535, which is among the lowest of any car brand. The total maintenance cost over a decade? Just around $5,200, a figure that beats out many mainstream competitors. A big part of Mitsubishi's low-cost reputation comes from its no-frills approach to engineering. Vehicles like the Mirage and Outlander use smaller, naturally aspirated engines that don't rely on expensive turbochargers or high-performance components. Fewer moving parts mean fewer things that can break. Plus, Mitsubishi's 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty is one of the best in the business, keeping major repairs covered for a long stretch of ownership. Number 1. Buick. Buick is quietly one of the most cost-effective brands to maintain. Over a 10-year period, Buick owners spend on average $4,900 on routine maintenance and repairs, one of the lowest in the industry. So what makes Buick a low-maintenance brand? A big factor is straightforward engineering. Buick doesn't pack its cars with overly complex powertrains or high-maintenance performance features. Models like the Encore and Enclave have well-tested engines, and their parts are widely available and inexpensive. Another reason is that Buick uses reliable GM components, meaning many parts are shared with Chevy, further reducing costs. If you're looking for a car with premium comfort, an easy maintenance schedule, and low repair costs, Buick is a brand worth considering. So, which car manufacturer makes the most reliable cars in general? Well, if you combine all the factors together, there's no better brand than Toyota. They're cheaper, last longer, and almost never leave you stranded unexpectedly. So when you go get your next car, make sure you consider these 3 factors if you want something that lasts. But tell me, have you ever owned a car from any brand we've talked about? How reliable was it? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date with my latest posts.